Why you should eat string beans every day, shocking health benefits. String beans, or French beans.
Did you know that a simple string bean can do wonders for your health? From boosting your heart to keeping your gut healthy, this everyday veggie is more powerful than it looks. In today's video, discover why eating string beans daily might be the healthiest choice you make. Here are 10 shocking health benefits of string beans. The top 1 health benefit of string beans: rich in nutrients. String beans are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. The second health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans supports heart health. Their high fiber and antioxidant content helps lower cholesterol and protect against heart disease. Third health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans helps in weight loss. Low in calories but high in fiber, string beans help you feel full longer and prevent overeating. The fourth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans controls blood sugar. The fiber and protein content help regulate glucose absorption, which may aid in diabetes management. The fifth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans improves digestion. Dietary fiber promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. But wait, it's not just about vitamins and fiber. Stick around to find out the surprising ways string beans can even help with weight loss, blood sugar and control, and more. The sixth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans boosts immunity. The vitamin C content strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight infections. The seventh health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans, good for bone health, rich in vitamin K and calcium. They help maintain strong and healthy bones. The eighth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans, anti-aging properties. Antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids protect the skin and body from free radical damage. The ninth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans supports eye health. String beans contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for protecting your vision. The tenth health benefit that we can get if we eat string beans promotes healthy pregnancy. The folate in string beans is essential for fetal development during pregnancy. So, are string beans going on your plate today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Your health is your wealth. Start with what's on your plate. String beans are 1. A vegetable, not a fruit, even though technically they contain seeds. 2. Long, slender, and typically green, though they also come in purple or yellow varieties. 3. Eaten whole, both the pod and the small seeds inside. 4. Common in salads, stir fries, soups, or simply steamed or sauteed. Fun fact: they're called string beans because older varieties had a top string along the seed, which had to be removed before cooking. Most modern types are now stringless. stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethelallera here is signing off.